Hi guys, so I'm using a colorful fabric that I have. I used the leftover fabric, but I decided to use it for this video. So I'm just folding it and I'm placing it so I can cut it easily. And I'm just gonna keep folding it. So after folding it, I'm laying it down and I would be measuring what I need to use. So for this video, I'm going to be using 16 inches. 16 inches because my top length is like 21, so I'm reducing 5 inches from it because it's an off shoulder. I'm basically making the lines straight at the edges, then measure 16. But if you want a crop top, you can measure to the length you desire and remove 4 to 5 inches as you please. So I'm just going to be cutting off the excesses now, and after cutting it I will be moving it to the sewing machine. So I'm now going to just fold the raw edges of the both end, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm just literally folding it by half an inch, like quarter an inch, very tiny, very minimal. You can also decide to use a serger or a baby lock machine, anyone you please. So that's basically what I am doing here. So I took my bobbin and my bobbin case. Your bobbin is going to be containing the elastic thread, that's the black one, and I'm literally fixing it into the bobbin case. And I'm trying to loosen the tension of the bobbin case so as to allow the elastic thread to move freely, because it is not a normal thread and it needs a lot of space for it to move freely to create the smoky effect. That's what I am doing. So you'll be replacing your bobbin case underneath your machine, and you'll pass your normal thread as you pass for sewing. So after fixing it, you want to sew the you start sewing your straight lines very close to the stitch you made at the edge, and you just keep sewing like that. For you to make it easier, you can draw lines, fade lines on your clothes fabric if you're not to go with straight lines when you're sewing. But then I'm sewing a not too long one, but then I don't want to waste my time, so I'm just using my eye to guide it. And you can also use your machine foot to guide it also, and you just sew very close to it. Don't drag it, just let it do its magic and just keep sewing and sewing your straight lines and sewing your straight lines, and then that's Okay, so I am done, and this is how it looks like. You're just gonna fold it into two, then just knitting it out the threads where you stopped, and you just cut out the threads. And after cutting out the thread, so I'm just trying to make my work neat, very neat, by cutting off the threads. So I'm just joining the two sides, and I'm going to sew it all the way down. But before sewing it down, I am going to change my bobbin to the normal thread. Then I'll sew it all the way down. Don't forget to change your bobbin before sewing it, else you'll be sewing with an elastic line and it's gonna make your work kind of poking. So I am done now, and I'm just going to give it a good press, and that's the final work. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And this is a picture of the one I made for a friend with sleeves, organza sleeves. So you can also try this out and give yours a different look. You can also put some straps at the end and make it different. You can make yours shorter. These are other inspirations you can use for your own. They are not my works, but I feel you can use them for just in case you don't want it the way I made mine, because we have different bends. What I like might not be what you like. So you can use this for inspirations if you need some. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get to see my next video. See you guys next time. Bye.